So through the implementation on these two new pylon programs, here are some of the results that we have realized through the implementation. On the fan blade out unit, which is one of the first items that we deliver to support test activity, we were able to see an 18% reduction in our cycle time, going from a projected 17-month effort and completing it within 14 months in order to meet the customer's expectations. In addition to that reduction, we also have seen a 30% reduction in the planned assembly time of this piece of hardware. Another results that we realized was in our systems hardware. Traditionally, we design the structure and then bring in the systems. Similarly, when you build a house, you develop the framework and then you bring in the electrical, the plumbing, the heating, and the cooling. Well, that's our traditional or normal process for design development. While the customer had a requirement that we provide the systems definition and hardware prior to any of our pylon or structural components. So we implemented and managed with critical chain to be able to deliver our systems hardware 3 months before the fan blade out piece of hardware, and also 13 months earlier than what we had done in the past. On the second pylon program, we were able to recognize additional benefits through the utilization of full kitting. Through that effort, we were able to realize a cost avoidance of 20 to 25,000 hours. In addition, our cycle time, we are in the process of getting a cycle time incentive. Our customers asked that we deliver a pylon within 14 months. Our standard has been 21, but through the utilization of critical chain and the Concerto software, we're working to pull that back to the left so that to support their requirements for our hardware on dock earlier than requested previously. And then in our sustaining programs, through utilization of critical chain, we have a 19% throughput increase compared to a 3-year average. So we're seeing benefits not only in our new programs, but also in our sustaining programs as well. So in summary, on our first pylon program, an 18% reduction in overall cycle time, on-time delivery for our first test unit. On the second pylon program, 20 to 25,000 hours of cost avoidance, and an increase of 19% throughput on our sustaining program.